Miss Nay Rose here, back with another video. And in today's video, we are going to be transforming this braid out into a top knot. You can really do it on whatever like state your hair is in, but I like doing it best on a braid out because I like the definition that it gives me while it's in a top knot. So yeah, before we even get started, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and that you're following me on all my social medias. And let's just get right into the video. So I'm gonna start off by taking my spray bottle and just like getting my hair re-moisturized, I guess you could say. I already had product in my hair, and so we're just gonna like bring it back to life a little bit, get it a little loose at the roots so I can pick it out. So after that, I'm just gonna go in with my pick and pick the roots out. I'm like lifting it, picking and lifting, basically. So pick, lift, grab, pick, lift. And I'm not bringing the pick all the way through the ends of my hair because I don't want to lose that definition. I just want to pick at the roots. Okay, so after you have it all picked out and you look crazy, like a little mushroom or something, so I'm gonna go in with my black castor oil eco styler gel along with my Carol's Daughter styling gel. And so I'm just gonna take both of those, rub it together, and coat all around my hair. Okay, so you can see that it's all around my hair. And so I'm just lifting it up to the top. I'm just putting it out the way real quick, okay? So I'm just putting my scrunchie up to get my hair up. And I'm gonna take my spray bottle and just make sure that all around the perimeter is moist so that when I brush my hair, it's very sleek. So now I'm just gonna go in with my brush and sleek it all down. Now you can see that it's very flat. You don't want any humps or anything. So I'm gonna push it all to the top and pull. I'm just gonna lightly pull. I'm just basically like pulling all of my hair out. And then you're just gonna sleek it all up, just like this. And we're gonna put it in our scrunchie. Okay, so now that it's in our scrunchie, we are going to secure our bun part with some bobby pins. So I'm just gonna grab it and kind of like adjust it to however you want your bun to be. You can make it bigger, smaller, just kind of like play with it and see how you want it. Get the curly parts to show a little more, you know, get the more defined parts in the front if you want. Just kind of play with it, and once you get it how you want it, you're just gonna bobby pin it down. Okay, so now that my bun is exactly how I want it, I got, you know, it all tucked in, my little curly piece is sticking out. So this is perfect. So now I'm gonna move on to my edges because I feel like edges just kind of like completes the look. It's like, what is a top knot without edges? Without laid edges. So I'm gonna wet my toothbrush and then kind of just like pull out the little hairs that I want for my edges. I try not to pull out too much because sometimes when you use too much baby hairs, I don't know, it's not as natural. So yeah, I'm just gonna wet my toothbrush and pull out the baby hairs. Like, it's better to pull out a little bit and then add more if it's not enough. And I also like to do like a little bit of my sideburns So I just pull a little bit out right there. So I'm gonna go in with my Murray's Edge Wax, and you guys know I love using these on my edges. This is the extreme hold one, so you do not need a lot at all. So if you want like a really natural baby hair look, then this is fine. You can just leave it like this and kind of go with it. But this edge control kind of, I don't know if it has like an oil base or what, but sometimes it just doesn't give you that really defined onto your scalp type of look. So I'll go in sometimes with this edge control and kind of just like give it another layer on top of it to kind of like press it down flat, because I like that pressed down type of look. You see how that just kind of like pressed it down more compared to like over here where it's sleek, but it's not like boom, like in your face sleek. Okay, so I'm back. I'm just gonna take this scarf off. Like I said, you can leave it on for like however long you want. It's been about 5 minutes for me. And this is the completed look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.